Bitcoin is right now still trading inside of this massive downtrend, both on that daily time frame, but also in that shorter time frame on that hourly time frame. So we need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be happening next? Could we just be creating a new higher low right here, just like we did over here? Well guys, this video is going to be an important update video because this is going to be a massive decision moment. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's the short term. And yes, in the short term, Bitcoin is currently still trading inside of this downtrend. Honestly, this is definitely not looking all too good. Now, yesterday we have been getting rejected from of this level of resistance, and we have been hitting our first level of support over here. Now, I have actually not yet opened my Bitcoin trade right over here, and I'm going to be explaining exactly why a little bit later in this video. But the first thing is going to be that the Bitcoin price in the short term is actually still looking rather a little bit more weak. We still do need to keep in mind that we are trading inside of this downtrend, so there's going to be no need to be rushing in towards any kind of a trade, in my opinion. Also, even in a shorter time frame, we are also trading inside of this downtrend over here. But if we are going to be zooming out just a little bit more, we could be arguing that Bitcoin is just creating a new consolidation pattern right over here after this massive crash we have seen. So this could be that next big opportunity. This could be what is going to be giving us that perfect setup in the market for a break towards the upside or a break towards the downside. And in the case of a break towards the downside, well, I do think that we are going to be getting an even cheaper entry. Also, do still keep in mind that we could still be getting this rejection by this level of resistance. Yes, it is looking like we are breaking back above it, but of course we could still see a fake out and a rejection from this level of resistance. And in that case, we are going to be getting a massive double top break towards the downside. So in that case also, definitely we are going to be seeing lower levels getting reached. So that is why in the short term, I'm just going to be a little bit more cautious. Yes, I do think that ultimately we are going to be creating this higher low and that next move towards the upside, but just in the short term, we should be a little bit more cautious. We could also see this higher low being created right at about this level over here. So that is definitely still a scenario and a possibility I'm not going to be counting out. And because of that, I only want to be entering my Bitcoin trade with the lowest amount of risk. And I just do not think we are having that lowest amount of risk right now at this current moment. Yes, I do think it is going to be a very good opportunity and a very good moment to buy more Bitcoin, but just for my Bitcoin trade, I only want to be entering a Bitcoin trade when there is that perfect opportunity, and I do not think, like for example from this level, we can be headed any lower than this level over here. So yeah, I only want to be entering my Bitcoin trade right now at this moment at the perfect opportunity, and I just do not think that that perfect opportunity is right now. So I'm just going to be waiting patiently for that Bitcoin trade. Anyways, for that longer term time frame, definitely right now is going to be a very good moment to buy. Right now I do think that we are getting very close towards our Bitcoin bottom, or we have already bottomed out right over here. But if we are going to be having a look into towards our fear and greed index levels, yes, the market sentiment is trading at extreme levels of fear. That is definitely very bullish for the Bitcoin price. At the same time, the majority of the market is right now trying to short. And whenever the majority of the market is trying to short, that is just adding more liquidity and more fuel towards the upside. Like you can be seeing on this chart over here, each and every single time whenever the Bitcoin funding rates were negative, that has generally been a very good moment to buy. And yeah, right now, the same thing is happening all over again. So yes, I do think that right now is going to be a very good moment to buy. Just for my Bitcoin trade, I just want to be waiting patiently. On top of that, even on the macro time frame, we are having even more charts that are suggesting that we are about to enter a big, massive bull market. But I'm going to be talking about that exactly in just a second. First of all, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out that link down below. Because with that link down below, you can right now claim a $30,000 deposit bonus. And on top of that, you can also claim a $500 free trade. So make sure to click that link down below and claim your free trade and also that 30k deposit bonus. Now, if you already have an account over on Bybit, you can just sign up a new account using a different form of identity, and there you go, you can still, claim these rewards. Now anyways, for that longer term for Bitcoin, it is looking extremely bullish because more liquidity is still coming in, the global liquidity is still increasing, and every single time whenever this has happened, well, Bitcoin has been in a very bullish trend towards the upside. Right now, this is still happening. So for the longer term outlook for Bitcoin, it is still looking very good. On top of that, institutions are right now buying Bitcoin, while the retail is actually selling Bitcoin. So the whole cycle is happening all over again. Retail is out of crypto, while the institutions are buying crypto. And well, always, you should be following the smart money, right? Also, Marathon, the largest Bitcoin miner, is still buying more Bitcoin at these levels. So yeah, we are still quite early, like Crypto Rover is saying. We are just in a massive consolidation right now for Bitcoin, but the longer this Bitcoin consolidation is going to be lasting for, the more explosive the breakout will eventually be. And during these periods of consolidation, you actually want to be getting involved. A lot of people are actually quitting crypto during these times because it is so boring. The next move is not really happening, but this should actually be the time where you should be paying attention, doing your market research every single day, and prepare yourself for that next Bitcoin move, because inevitably it is going to be coming. Like you can be seeing after each and every single long consolidation, we have always seen a big move right after. So it is going to be happening again. Just like we can be seeing in this pattern over here, Bitcoin is just creating a huge consolidation pattern, and inevitably we are going to be seeing this big breakout in the coming few months. So I am going to be preparing myself for that next Bitcoin move. I want to be opening this Bitcoin trade. If we are going to be seeing another move towards the downside being created, this bullish divergence being created, that will be the perfect opportunity. But if we are not going to be getting this perfect opportunity, well, I have already bought a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of altcoins, and I am currently still buying these. So yeah, if we are not going to be getting this opportunity, well, I'm still going to be making a lot of money with my spot holdings and spot positions. So make sure to take advantage of this free trade with that link down below. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, we'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.